Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a language processing AI-based chatbot capable of human-like conversations. Though the core function of the model is to mimic a human conversationalist, ChatGPT is much more than that. At the time of writing this article, ChatGPT can not only compose essays and blogs but also poetry and song lyrics. In addition to that, it can also debug and write computer programs for you. However, if you want to download it on your phone, it's not an easy task, because it can only be downloaded in the US region at present. What's more, this app requires your iPhone to be running iOS 16.1 or later version iOS. This also means iPhone models that are older than iPhone 8 are not able to use this app. This video will bring you the easiest way to quickly download ChatGPT on your phone. Here we need a software called UltFone iOS Data Manager. Just download and open it on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to your PC. On the home screen, you can see a section about the app. Click Manage Now. Here you need to enter your Apple ID to obtain download permissions. Okay, the download is complete. Now you can use it on your iPhone. Go and experience it. So guys, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.